Hi there! Welcome to our channel. Learning languages by listening and practicing. Let's start.
Scenario 1. Discussing a recent EPL match.
Hey Mike, did you catch the English Premier League match between Liverpool and Manchester City yesterday?
Oh, absolutely. What a thrilling game that was. The intensity from both sides was incredible.
Right. I couldn't believe the pace of the match, and that last-minute goal from Salah was a game-changer.
Salah's goal was pure magic. But let's talk about the VAR decision. What did you think of that controversial call in the first half?
It was a tough call for sure. VAR decisions always spark debates. Some say it was the right call, others think it was too harsh.
True. It adds another layer of drama to the game. Overall, I think it was an outstanding performance from both teams. Can't wait for the next big matchup.
Scenario 2. Fantasy football strategy.
Hey, Chris. How's your Fantasy Premier League team doing this season?
Hi, Sarah. It's been a rollercoaster. I had high hopes, but injuries have hit my squad hard.
Tell me about it. My star striker got injured last week, and I had to make some last-minute changes. It's challenging to stay on top of everything.
Absolutely. And picking the right captain each week is like a strategic puzzle. You never know who's going to shine.
I'm thinking of using my wildcard soon to shake things up. Have you used yours yet?
Not yet, but I'm considering it. There are so many factors to consider: fixtures, form, injuries. It's like being a manager in real life.
Totally. Let me know if you come up with a winning strategy. We can compare notes.
Scenario 3. Planning a weekend EPL watch party.
Hey, Jenny. I was thinking of hosting an English Premier League watch party this weekend. Are you in?
Absolutely. I'm always up for some football and good company. Which matches are you planning to watch?
I was thinking of catching the Arsenal versus Chelsea game and then the Manchester United versus Tottenham match later in the day.
Great choices. I heard Arsenal has a new signing. It'll be interesting to see how they perform against Chelsea.
Yeah, and the Manchester United versus Tottenham clash is a classic. Two top teams going head-to-head.
Perfect. I'll bring some snacks and we can make it a fun day of football and banter. Can't wait.
Sounds like a plan. It's going to be an epic weekend for EPL fans.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.